Hey there, green thumbs and aspiring plant parents. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at your space and thought, it's need a little oof? Well, get ready because today we are diving into the wonderful world of home gardening. And trust me, it's easier and more rewarding than you think. No, I know what some of you are thinking. I have a black thumb, or my plants usually end up looking like they lost a fight with the lawnmower. Don't worry, we have all been there. But gardening isn't just about perfect plants, it's about connecting with nature, distressing, and honestly, the sheer joy of watching something grow. It's a little bit of magic right in your own home. Remember that feeling of biting into a tomato you grew yourself. Pure bliss. First up, for those of us with limited space, apartments, balconies, or just small yards, let's talk container gardening. This is your secret weapon. Step 1. Choose your containers. Get creative. Old tires, terracotta pots, even repurposed buckets. Just make sure they have drainage holes. That's super important. Folks, no one likes saggy roots. Step 2. Pick your plants. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary thrive in pots. Cherry tomatoes, lettuce, and even strawberries can be grown in containers. Think about what you love to eat. Step 3. Quality soil matters. Don't camp here. Use a good quality potting mix, not just dirt from your yard. It provides the right nutrients and drainage. Step 4. Water wisely. Check the soil with your finger. If it feels dry and inch down, it's time to water. Overwatering is the enemy. Next, let's go up. Literally, introducing vertical gardening. This is a game changer for maximizing space and adding a stunning visual elements. Pallet gardens. Grab an old wooden pallet, attach landscape fabric to create pockets, fill with soil and plant your desired herbs, succulents, or even small flowers. Hang it on a sunny wall and boom, instant green wall. Think of all the fresh salad greens you could grow. Now, for those with a bit more yard, let's blend beauty with bounty. Edible landscaping. Why plant just pretty flowers when you can have something delicious too? Many fruit trees, berry bushes, and even some vegetables are incredibly ornamental. Blueberry bushes have gorgeous fall foliage. Artichokes are stunning architectural plants. Even a bed of colorful Swiss chard can be a showstopper. Integrate these plants into your existing flower beds. Place taller edible plants at the back, shorter ones in the front. It's like a secret garden that feeds you. Of course, gardening isn't with its challenges. Sometimes things just don't go to plan. Maybe a plant wilts or a past decides your basil is a five-star restaurant. Don't get discouraged. Every gardener, even the pros, face setbacks. It's all part of the learning curve. Think of it as your plant sending you a very dramatic email. Do a quick online search for your plant's specific needs or consult a local nursery. There's a wealth of knowledge out there. And remember, trial and error is your best teacher. So, there you have it. From tiny balconies to sprawling yards, there's a gardening idea out there for everyone. It's about creating a beautiful, peaceful space and maybe even harvesting some delicious homegrown goodness. What are your favorite home gardening ideas? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more gardening adventures and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Happy gardening, everyone! Go get growing!